Hello learners, today we will study grammar chapter number 13, active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. Read the following sentences carefully. Rita cut the cake. Rita is the subject, verb cut, and the cake is the object. Okay, Rita cut the cake. In second one, the children ate it. Children, the children subject, ate verb, and it object. Okay, and third one is the they sang a song. They subject, verb, sang, object, a song. Okay, in the above sentences, the verb, the subject Rita, here second one the children, and third one they do the action, and there is an object for each verb. Okay, they are doing the action, means who cut the cake? Rita. So Rita do the action. Who ate it? Children. So children ate means do the action, and they sang a song. Who sang? Then they sang. Means subject is the doer of the action. So active voice, definition of active voice is sentence in which the subject performs the action and the object receives it. Okay, understand? Sentence in which the subject performs the action and object receives it are said to be in the active voice. All the above sentences are in active voice. Okay, when the subject of the verb is the doer of the action, then it is said to be in active voice. You must have noticed some important points about sentence in the active voice. Verbs are used in the active form. Action is expressed directly. The emphasis is on the subject of the verb rather than the object. Okay? In active voice, emphasize the subject rather than the object. Whereas in passive voice, when the verb in a sentence show that the subject is not the doer of the action, the sentence is in the passive voice. Okay, like Rita cut the cake. Okay, first example, Rita cut the cake. Now the object become, now you have to write object first. Okay, the cake. Okay, the cake was cut by Rita. Second, children ate it. Then it ate, it is in past tense. So in past tense we have to use was and verb. It singular, so it was eaten by the children. Third one, song. A song singular, a song was sung by them. In passive voice, always we have to use the past participle form of the verb. Okay, remember it, you have to always use the past participle form of the verb. Verb which require a direct object to complete their meaning are called transitive verb. Now features here given. The verb which requires a direct object to complete their meaning are called transitive verb. Understand, it is very important. Transitive verb require object to complete its meaning. Okay, like see here, Neeta found her mobile. Okay, transitive verb found. Okay, transitive verb always require an object. Here object is mobile. Okay, so these verbs are called transitive verb. And whenever we change active to passive, we can that must be transitive verb. We can change only transitive verb. Okay, in transitive verb, like Rita, in transitive verb Jagan is an engineer. Okay, in transitive verb do not require object to complete their meaning. Important fact, transformation of sentence from the active to passive form can be easily done if your points are kept in mind, but we should always remember that sentence with intransitive verb without an object cannot be transformed into passive voice. Okay, here intransitive verb Jagan is an engineer, object is not there. Okay, Without an object we can't change it into passive voice. Okay, if there is an object, like in first example, Neeta found her mobile, object is there. If object is there, then only we can change it into passive voice. Okay, like one more example here given. Rita threw the ball. Okay, then object is given here, the ball is the object. Okay, then we can change it, we can make it passive. First the ball come here and Rita in this side. Okay, then threw is the past tense. Okay, threw, second form of the verb, so it is in past tense. In past tense we have to use was and were. Okay, the ball is singular, so here we will use was. The ball was, and in passive voice always you have to write in past participle form. Throw, the past participle form is thrown. The ball was thrown by Rita. Understand? Only those sentences in the active voice that have transitive verb and therefore object can be changed into passive voice. Future continuous and perfect continuous tense do not have passive form. Okay, perfect continuous of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous do not have passive form, and future continuous also do not have passive form. Now, while changing a sentence from active to passive voice, many points need to be kept in mind. First one, the object of the verb in the active voice became the subject in the passive voice. Okay, see here object is a Rita. Okay, and in passive voice Rita become the subject. Understand? You have to change it. Okay, cake will come in this side and Rita in that side. Okay, then you have to see that verb is in the past tense. So in past, if it is in past tense, we have to use was and were. The cake was cut by Rita, and always use verb past participle form. Form of the verb is changed in accordance with the tense. First one, the children ate it. Ate is in past tense, so when we change it, then it will come first. Children here. Okay, it is in past tense, so in past tense we use was. It was eaten by the children. Okay, the subject of the active voice is expressed by plus agent in the passive voice. Okay, always subject of the active voice is expressed as by plus agent in the passive voice. Okay, now question number 1, read the following sentence and identify the voice in each of them. First one is the Shoma has won a scholarship. Okay, Shoma, easily you can identify which one is the active and which one is the passive. Okay, easily you can identify. You have to only you like some hints are also given. Most of time in passive voice by given by. Okay, then if by is not given, then also you can identify. Okay, like Shoma has won a scholarship. Who won a scholarship? Shoma. Okay, if the subject is before the verb, then it is a active voice. Okay, Sheetal writes novel. Who writes novel? Sheetal. Then it is active voice. Okay, subject is before the verb. Okay, our house was renovated. Who renovated our house? It is after the verb. Interior designer, it is after the verb, so it is passive. Okay, Diana reads classics. Okay, who reads? Diana. Before the verb, so it is active. House tax was paid by my father. Who paid? Father. Okay, after the verb, so it is passive. Okay, The classroom was cleaned by David. Who cleaned? David. After the verb, so it is passive. I rang the bell. Who rang? I. Before the verb, so it is active. The principal gave away the award. Who gave away the award? Principal. Before the verb, so it is active. Understand? First one active, second also active, third passive, fourth active, fifth passive, sixth passive, seventh active, eighth active. Okay. Now students, to if you want to change passive from active voice or active from passive voice, this table is very useful to you. Okay, read this table 2 times and it is very useful. Okay, examples are given, hints are also given, like in simple present tense, grow, grows given. Okay, when you will change it into passive voice. Okay, it is simple present. In simple present tense, helping verb we are using is and are. So with grows we have to use always past participle form. Okay, the grow, grew, grown. Grown will come and it is in present tense, so we have to use is and are according to the subject. Subject is plural, then we have to use are. Subject is singular, we have to use is. Okay. Second, present continuous tense, is and are already given in active voice. Okay, if is there, you have to write is being. Are is there, you have to write are being, and verb always third form. If in active voice has and have is there, then you have to write has been grown, have been grown. Okay, present perfect continuous tense, no change. Okay, now simple past tense also, was grown, other if it is plural then were grown. Okay, if already was and were given there, past continuous tense, then you have to write was being and were being. Okay, and past perfect, had grown, had and were second form is given, then you have to write had been and third form. Okay, if had been growing already given, perfect continuous tense, then no change. Okay, will grow, simple future tense. Simple future tense, then will be grown. Future continuous, no change. Will have grown, then will have been grown. And future perfect continuous tense, no change. This is the rule. Okay, if you follow this rule, easily you can solve any active, you can change any active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. Okay, read this table 2 times. Okay. Now, next question is, rewrite the following sentences in the passive voice. Like Juman watered the plant every day. Here Juman is the subject, plant is the object. Okay, then what you have to write? Plant or plants. In your textbook plants is there. Okay, so plants, then what you have to write? The plants. First you have to write the plants. Okay, waters, it is in present tense, then you have to write plants. In present tense you have to use are and is. So plants are plural, so here you have to plants are. Plants are, and always verb third form, then plants are watered, watered. Okay, not understanding, wate, this one is e. Watered by Juman. Okay, now next one, he throws the weeds. Okay, he throws the weeds every day. Write first every day. Okay, now next sentence is, he throws the weeds away. He throws the weeds away. Then subject is he and object is the weeds. Okay, then you have to write the weeds are thrown by him. The weeds are thrown away by him. Away is given here, so the weeds are. Weeds is plural, so we have to use are. weeds are, and verb always third form. So very easy for you, do not have to think about it. You have to write third form. The weeds are thrown away by him. Okay. Next, he digs the soil. He digs the soil. So subject is he and the soil is the object. So first the object will come first, the soil will come first. The soil, okay. Then digs. Digs, the soil is, okay, it is singular. The soil is, digs third form is dug. The soil is dug by him. Easy, students. Next one is the he also plucks flower and collect them carefully. Okay. He also, he subject, plucks what? Flowers. Okay. The flowers, what you have to write? Flowers are plucked and collected by him. Flowers are, first write also flowers are, flowers plural, so we have to use are, flowers are, and then pluck third form, plucked, plucked. Flowers are plucked and collected. Plucked and collected by him carefully. Okay. By him carefully. Okay, complete. Now next one, rewrite the following sentence in the passive voice. The teacher uses that cubicle. The teacher uses that cubicle. Here the subject is the teacher and that cubicle is the object. In passive voice, first you have to write the object first and the teacher will come here. And that cubicle write first. That cubicle. That cubicle. That cubicle, it is singular, so we have to use is. That cubicle is, use is the verb here, and use third form, used by the teacher. Okay, that cubicle is used by the teacher. Understand? Next one is the Mahesh sketched the map. Mahesh is the subject, the map is the object. So first object becomes subject, subject become object. Okay, object in place of subject and subject in place of object. The map, it is in sketched, already given sketched. Sketched means it is in past tense. The map, map is singular, then map was, the map was. Okay, the map was sketched, third form also sketched. The map was sketched by Mahesh. Okay, the map was sketched by Mahesh. Okay, next one, Ramesh had borrowed some money. Ramesh had is there. Okay, it is in past perfect tense. Okay, so past perfect, see that table, I told you to read that table. In that table had is there, then you have to change it, had been. Okay, then Ramesh is the subject and borrowed what? Money. Okay, some money is the object. So first interchange their place, some money will come first and Ramesh in place of the object. Okay, then some money had been borrowed, third form also borrowed. Some money had been borrowed by Ramesh. Okay, what you have to write? Some money had been borrowed by Ramesh. Written, some money had is there, then you have to write had been borrowed by Ramesh. Okay. Next one, Neha is selling fruits in the market. Neha is the subject and what she is selling? Fruits. Okay. Neha is selling fruits in the market. Then is already given. Okay. So it is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense we are using is and are. Okay. And fruits, but Neha is singular, so here is used. But when we change their place, fruits become in place of subject and Neha in place of object. Okay. Then fruits are. Okay. If is and are is there already in active voice, then you have to use is being or are being. So fruits is plural, so we have to use are being. Fruits are being. Sell third form sold. The fruits are being sold in the market by Neha. Or you can write the fruits are being sold by Neha in the market. Okay. The fruits are being sold by Neha in the market. Okay. Okay. Fifth one is a Ramu was growing apples. Ramu is the subject. Object is apple. Then apples. Okay. So first change their place. Apples come here. Ramu here. Apples and was is there. Same like is and are. Is and are already there. Then we have to use is being, are being. Same way if was is there, we have to use was being. Apples, but apples is plural. Okay. Apples plural, then with plural we have to use were. Okay. According to subject we have to write the were. Apples were being grown by Ramu in the orchard. Okay. Dinesh will paint a landscape. Dinesh is the subject and paint object. Then Dinesh will paint a landscape is the object. Okay. Will paint is the verb, a landscape is the object. Then a landscape will come here, Dinesh here. A landscape will be painted by Dinesh. A landscape okay, landscape and will already there. If will there, then you have to use will be. Will be painted by Dinesh. Okay. Nora was playing cricket. Nora is a subject, object cricket. Okay. Then cricket was is there. Already I told you in was we have to use being. Okay. Cricket was being played by Nora. Okay. Cricket, right? Cricket was being played by Nora. Last one, eighth one, a group of scientists is conducting a survey. Then a group of scientists, okay, it is a subject and object is a survey. Okay. A survey is being conducted by a group of scientists. Complete. Now change of verb